Xbox.
How's it going? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the volume button circuit board from a Dell Inspiron 11 version 3169. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. Use a thin object to remove center screw cover. Now unscrew and remove bottom base cover. Now unscrew battery. Then disconnect and remove battery. Now disconnect and remove volume button circuit board. Need more? Check out these other tutorials. For batteries, click here. For motherboards, click here. For wireless cards, click here. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give this video a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check the video description below for links to written tutorials and replacement parts.